A completely PC-free method where we'll explain step by step how to recover your device if it has a screen lock or you've forgotten your Gmail account. We'll connect to a Wi-Fi network to begin the recovery process. Our phone had a screen lock, and we formatted it. After the complete formatting, it was left with this padlock in the upper left corner, and we haven't been able to access our phone since. If that's your case, don't worry, today we'll explain everything step by step, exactly as we'll be explaining it in this video tutorial. We're going to connect to a Wi-Fi network and guide our device through the process until we see the Google account and the screen lock screen. We've also included other methods in the latest updates, both PC-based and non-PC-based. You can find all these methods in the video description and in the first pinned comment. Those who regularly watch our video tutorials can find them there. If this method doesn't work for you, you can go to that description and find other methods, both PC-based and non-PC-based. You'll find those methods there and can apply them. We also have many additional methods for any phone model. Here we can see our screen lock. Here we're going to click where it says, use my Google account. We're going to click here where it says, use my Google account. For those who have, remember their email, they can add it. They click next, add the password, and it would give you quick access to recover your device. But let's say you don't have either the email or the password. Then what you're going to do is this. You're going to click here where it says, forget Gmail. You're going to type this, click next, you also type here, type this again, and click next. You're going to click this for 30 seconds. When those 30 seconds are up, we're going to go back, since this will allow us to fix and recover our devices. One of the easiest and fastest ways without needing to use a PC. Completely without a PC. Okay, with all that said, now that those 30 seconds have passed, what we're going to do now is go back. Gently back, gently back. Here where the Wi-Fi network is, we're going to click here where it says, add new network. We're going to click on this little gear icon, then select language, then update. Then go back, select the last options, and then reset. We're going to reset all these settings that appear here. All four, and the last one, cache. Once we've done all that, we're going to restart our device. We'll restart it when our phone restarts. We'll do the final recovery process. If you followed our instructions exactly, you'll have a solution and recovery. You know that in the video description and in the first pinned comment, we have other completely different methods. Methods using a PC and methods without a PC, many methods. Now we'll wait for it to start to complete this recovery process. One of the easiest and fastest ways to do this is without using a PC. A completely PC-free method. Let's go here now, let's click on Start. Let's click on Start. Let's click here on Add, here we'll click here where it says Configure, let's configure. Our Android here for Galaxy, we're going to use what is a QR code, which is what we need to be able to recover our device. Here our phone will appear. But we're not going to do that yet. For those who might not know what we're going to use, let's remove it. We need a screen lock to recover our phone. We also need a Google account. Here we have our Google account here. Then we need a Wi-Fi connection. We need that too. After we have all that, we're going to click here on Google. Select the camera icon, and it will ask for some permissions. You're going to grant all the permissions it asks for, and then you're going to sync this QR code. It will appear here where it says, sign in. You're going to tap it, and you're going to sync both the screen lock on this phone and the Google account. Both options will be synced. Screen lock and Google account. That way, that would be one of the easiest ways to recover our device. That we've synced everything. What we're going to do is press the power button and the volume down button at the same time. We're going to restart our phone. When our phone restarts, this is where we can complete the recovery process. This is one of the easiest and fastest ways to recover your device without using a PC. For those who want to see other methods, we have included many updated methods in the video description and the first pinned comment, so you can also use them too. Recover your device in one of the easiest and fastest ways. We're going to wait for our phone to restart to complete this recovery process. Since our device has restarted, now, we're going to wait until we see that the account we synced has been successfully added. We'll see if our account has been added. The email we had on the other phone will also appear here. Let's wait. Here you can see the email. We tap Next. It was added successfully. Now that it's been added, we're going to finish the process by configuring it. We'll tap Don't Copy, then Skip. Skip. Here we can see the email in Google Services. We tap More, then Accept. Wait a few more seconds, tap Skip, then Skip again. Then skip, and that's it. We're finishing this recovery process. For those of you who get it to work correctly, please leave a comment. What kind of comment? It has also worked for those who haven't been able to solve it yet. We've included other completely different methods. A method without a PC different from this one, and a method with a PC in the video description. You'll also be able to find all those methods in the first pinned comment. You know,